What is good this morning, you guys? How are you? I hope you guys are doing well, hanging in there. This is number 10 off of the worksheet: circles, tangent lines, and area. And our goal, starting with the given information that the chord from P to Q is 16, and the diameter of the circle from M to N is 20, is to find the length from the diameter to the chord. So this is shortest distance is perpendicular. What's red is what's given. Okay, and then we have the original drawing. So this one's a little bit tricky because you need to use an auxiliary line, meaning a line that's not there to complete a shape, so that you can use the properties of that shape to solve for this missing length that we're calling x. So if I just draw this auxiliary line, it's dotted because it's auxiliary. That's actually the radius of the circle. So if I know that the diameter is 10, that means the radius, all of the radii, right, are half of the diameter, which is 10. Okay, and then the properties we learned last week: from the center of the circle to a chord at perpendicular splits the chord into two equal parts. So that means that's 8 and that's 8. So if I take this triangle in here and I just sketch it out to the side, there's my right angle. This side length is 8. This is the goal we're trying to find is x. Radius is 10. I can either use Pythagorean theorem and take a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Substitute my variables in, x squared or 8 squared, doesn't matter. A or b can switch places because of the commutative property. Or I can recognize this triangle as one of those special triangles that we've learned. This is actually a 3, 4, 5 triangle, because if you double each side, it's 6, 8, and 10. I have my 8, I have my 10, so that means the missing side for x is 6. Looks like we're getting a little morning wake-up call from the neighborhood crow. So x squared plus 64 equals 100. X squared equals 36. X equals root 36, which is positive or negative 6. Throw out the negative because you can't have a negative distance. So x is still 6.